Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. First, we need to add about s squared. Later that, we need to minus about s squared because I want to create about factorization. Later that we divide by this one. So this one we have s squared multiplied by s to the power of number 3 plus 1. So this one divide by this one. So we have number 1. So right now we have s squared in here. Next, this one that is about identities. So if we look carefully about this one, we can put the negative side go outside and we have like this. So this one divide by this one, so we have number 1 in here. So the integration of s squared, we have s to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1, and the next one that is about negative ln of the absolute value of s plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one we have number 3 and number 3. This is the end. Thank you for watching.